If your Windows 11 Settings app opens and then closes immediately, the settings package may be damaged or no longer registering correctly with Windows. To fix this, right-click the Start button and open Terminal as Administrator. If Terminal also doesn't open, from the Start menu, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. From Task Manager, click Run New Task and type PowerShell, then check the option that says Create this task with administrative privileges and click OK. Now enter the command, showing you on your screen, and press Enter. I have mentioned this command in the description. This command will re-register the Windows Settings package, so wait until the process is completely finished. Once it's done, click on Start and restart your computer. After your PC starts again, press the Windows and I keys together on your keyboard and check the Settings app. It should now stay open instead of closing immediately. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.